everyone. It's raining here. This time it's raining here. I am about to check the canal that I make today. So, madilim. It's so dark. Wait. Yes, hello everyone. Yeah. Let's go check the canal that I make earlier. Can check earlier if it's working or not. We will go check it. It looks like the water coming in. Oh yeah. And there. Pala tumaano eh. Let's check that. How it looks like the canal I make. Did you see it? How it looks like. Is it useful? Is it useful? This one, look at the water here. Wow. I think I am going to make it wash the plates so that I can have so the rain is not falling. Guys, I am washing the plates in the rain. Clean. So, this is how we use the rain. Sometimes rain is good. So we can wash our plates. The water of rain is cleaner. I mean, very clean. This is how life in Philippines. really strong. I want you to see my drainage, the canal. The drainage, guys. How it looks like my drainage. I don't even see it here. So I hope it can help, no? So the water is not going to. I hope the canal is okay, no? I know the English of it is a drainage actually. It's not canal. It's in the drainage. So I wash the plates. Tada! And I have a lot of plates needs to wash it. So I will wash this after. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.